Hello. We're so happy you're interested in AirBar. Let's get going. The AirBar sensor is extremely easy to set up. We're going to show you the steps. AirBar comes in different sizes. If you don't already know the size of your display, just measure it diagonally and then choose the size that best suits your computer. Now your AirBar sensor has arrived and we're going to show you how to attach it. The first time you attach AirBar, it's important that you do it correctly. Center it 3 millimeters below the bottom edge of the display. Use the width of the USB cord as a reference, and use the white alignment markers to center AirBar. Start by removing the 2 tags on the back. After that, gently attach AirBar to the bottom bezel, then press gently above the magnet points. Remove AirBar and press on the magnets a bit harder to fixate them. That's it! Now you can attach and detach AirBar again and again without hassle, and it will be perfectly aligned and centered every time, thanks to the magnets that remain below your screen. And don't worry, you will still be able to close your notebook without any problems. Now that AirBar is set up, start your computer running Windows 10. Attach AirBar and plug the USB connector into the notebook. You now have touch. Pinch, roll, sweep, and have fun.